Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel an order on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now guys, that we got that out the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Domino's Pizza application where we have a lot of going on. We can go and deliver at where we want to deliver the pizza to. Click order now if we want to order, and here we can go and switch the carry out. On the left side we have everything about, so you're where to basically order now, pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, we have the data privacy, TSC, and the Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an order on Domino's Pizza. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to do it in no time. Basically what you need to do is go to the top left corner of your screen, and here guys you will have your pizza tracker. You need to click here, and here you can go and track your active order. Basically, if you want to cancel an order, and when you have an order, you'll have a cancel order button, which you just need to click and the order will be canceled. So this is guys the only way you can basically do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. Of course guys, this helps our channel a lot, so please, if you could do this, it will be pretty cool. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, of course. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you as always in the next video. Bye guys.